Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, and good afternoon and good night. You guys, it is a brand new day. It's bright and early Tuesday morning, and I am ready and heading out real quick because I have to go to my head office this morning to get some paperwork done that they call me in to do. So I have to go and do that this morning. Baby's home for the day because today is an important day for us and we have to go and get some stuff done. So he took the day off to stay, that way we can go about our business and get whatever we have to get done. And Tyler is also here, so I got up and make him his tea this morning, and he had his tea and he's in here with Papa. Now they're the boys.
Good morning.
Faves later.
I'm watching the tablet.
You're watching the tablet. And all right, you guys, so I'm about to head out right now. So have a good day and make today a good one. Whatever it is that you do, just enjoy doing it and make the best of your day. Stay positive, stay productive, stay motivated, and stay away from negative thinkers. And I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, man, I have been back off the road and I'm in the kitchen trying to finish up dinner and get some stuff done before we head out on the road again. So I'm just here making dinner real quick because I know that by the time we get back later it'll be just in time for dinner, and I really don't feel like I want to eat out today. So in order to prevent that, I'm making dinner. So so before I left I had seasoned chicken and stuff like that and put it in the oven to bake, so babe could monitor it for me until I get back, and he did a very good job at doing that. So chicken is here that is baked. You can see I already take it off. The chicken is here, that is done baking. So that's that. And I'm just trying to make something fast, so I throw in some broccoli and carrot in there, and I'm gonna add this corn to it, and then I'm making some sweet potato for the boys so they can have. And then while that's going, I'm going to jump in and make lunch right away, then feed Tyler, put him down for a nap. That's what's going on right now. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, and comment down below and let me know what you guys are making for dinner today, whatever time of day that you are watching this video. All right, you guys, I'm going to make lunch real quick. Actually at the park with Tyler. He and baby Summer over there on the slide, I think. Let me see if I can find him. Where is he? It looks like he's already in the slide. There he is. He's right here. There he is running. He likes do that like he's a big kid, you see. Hold on the slide like he can stand up there. I'm gonna eat some rice cake. Watching. going? What's around there? What a long day that was, you guys. Man, just got back in the house, just step in, and you guys can see, look, that's the first thing I grab as I step in the house. I am hungry. That's the importance of why, this is the importance of why I have to cook before I go on the road, because the way I'm feeling right now, if I didn't cook before I leave, I wouldn't be cooking right now. I would throw a pizza in the oven, or I would pick up fast food on my way, and then I would have a nice unhealthy dinner. Which, when it's necessary, then I won't be able to have it, or I would have it on top of whatever I already have when I don't really have to have it. So when I can avoid not having fast food, I have to try and avoid having fast food. Anyway, dinner. I come home to all this. Look at that. I can't wait to just grub. I'm gonna drop this into the microwave, and dinner is ready. Hey guys, let me take off my glasses because my reflection of my of the computer is in it.
People want to see your eyes.
You guys, it's been a long day. It's been a long day. The day when I don't work and I expect to stay home and rest. See who rests?
Yeah, because I took a day off.
See who rests? I ended up had to go to my office this morning. And come back and go back on the road, and been on the road all evening, and got back.
I went on the road with you too. What did you do that I didn't?
After you sleep while I was away this morning.
Yeah, because I woke up early while I was in the house to clean the entire house, and whenever she came, the house was completely clean, and I just take a little rest.
You didn't clean, honey. You organize.
Well, when you
clean it and organize, clean so like you washed the bathroom and you washed the entire house.
I just put all of the mess that was in the
so you organize, and there was no mess. There was just clothes to take and fold, and you did that. Good job, my love.
That was all around.
Look at us bickering.
And the table that was full of things, and I just make it looks perfect.
Honey, you didn't clean, you organized. You didn't dust
it took me an hour and a half.
cabinets and
it
what?
took me an hour and a half to do
you
all of
still
these
didn't
things.
clean. There's a difference between cleaning and organizing.
I put order.
Did you sweep and wipe the floor?
I put order.
There we go. You put order. 2 minutes of bickering about cleaning and putting order. Well, it's your job, so I'm not gonna tell you good job and thank you. Anyway, you can.
Thank you.
It's your job.
Thank you will mean like if it's your job, it's not your job,
right,
it's our job.
Right.
But I'm just showing you that I didn't. I earned the right to rest.
So I don't earn the right to rest?
Of course you earned it. You could have gone sleep when we come back.
But I had work to do.
You organize your day the way you want to organize your day, okay, my love?
Anyway, you guys, I forget my Jamaican expression because
so
I'm bickering. No. You guys, it was a long day but a productive day. A lot of good stuff happened today. Anyway, you guys, the Jamaican expression for today is going to be yard close. If you hear a Jamaican say, "May I wear me yard clothes" or "me in a me yard clothes," simple mean it's the clothes that is worn in the house or in and around the house. You don't wear that same clothes to go run errands in the street. You can if you want, because I'll wear my pajamas to the supermarket and don't care. There's a difference between yard clothes and going out clothes. That's how Jamaicans say it. Jamaicans yard clothes different from them going
The
out
yard
clothes.
clothes is
So
like a
clothes that you
pyjama.
right and clothes that you wear
Yard clothes.
in the house. Yard clothes.
Yard clothes. This is
Yes.
my yard clothes.
Right. This are not my yard clothes. Me just have on my same clothes that I wear on the road
Okay.
today. Say it.
Yard clothes.
Yard clothes. Not yard clothes. Yard clothes.
Clothes. Yard clothes.
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 Ah, come on. Let me change my expression.
Shut
to
up.
expression.
Alright. Go. Give the French expression.
The French expression is like
But I don't have my glasses. So my
the French
hair.
expression is tout ce qui est petit est mignon. Means all that are little are cute. I think that's little people that invented this expression. It must
Are
be.
you throwing shade at me?
Must be. So
You're throwing shade at me?
No, so this is something I think is like, because sometimes like they complain that is little or things like this. Can be anything, it can be people, but it can be any object. So they used to say everything that is little are cute.
Hey.
Say it.
Everything that is little are cute.
Tout ce qui est petit,
Hein?
tout ce qui est petit
Tout ce qui est petit
est mignon.
est mignon.
Right, that's the French
That's me.
expression. You're little.
Look how short I am. I can't even reach your chin. I'm such a shorty. My mom and I bicker every day about who is the tallest. I am 5'3".
She's 4'9".
I am 5'3" and my
She's
mother.
5'2".
I am 5'3" and my mother is 5'2". So we bicker every day who is the tallest.
So why your mom always tell me that she's 5'3" and you 5'2"?
No, it's the other way around. I am 5'3" and my mother is 5'2". Every day we say, you're shorter, I'm shorter. Every day we argue about who's short and who's shortest. Anyway, you guys.
You have the French and Jamaican expression of the day. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Then continue.
Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up if it's your first time watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss a video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And yes, you guys boys long off to bed. He's in La La Land right now. La La Land. And you guys need to give this video a thumbs up for Tyler. Tyler have been going to bed for the past few nights and don't pee in any Pampers in the night, because he was fully trained in the day, but we didn't really rush to be training him in the night. But now your boy's well on his way. He's just growing up so fast, y'all. Anyway, you guys, we out.